for contractors, aside from limiting their profit margin? What are the incentives like? I'm looking at the bamboo, for example, the ones mentioned by Architect Jun, the carbon credits. We have not finalized for our country the G2G carbon credit exchange, and we have actually so many offers for the Philippines to plant bamboos in exchange for carbon credits, but I think it's more on private initiative, not the G2G initiative.
There are a lot of examples in the US, like California. You get the green building, green architecture, the developer, contractor, and designer. They can get a refund, sort of a refund. I think we don't have to just copy it na lang, copy, input, agad. Let's not invent the wheel.
Yeah, Slater and then David, Architect David.
I can't speak for 4PH because hindi talaga linya. It's a completely different market from what we're trying to do. But in terms of sustainable naman, I think our closest example, or at least that we currently have when it comes to mga carbon credits, is at least kami, we're able to get support from ITEC, we're able to get support from BOI, the Board of Investments, for these green initiatives, and even housing initiatives, meron din sila. So, I think that's, at least from what I know, yun yung pinakamalapit na meron tayo ngayon.
Right, and for David, probably, like say, those who are planting or those who plan to plant bamboos as future beneficiaries of this PH4PH project, in exchange for the carbon credits, aside from the romance that you will generate, probably there will be some X deal in moving forward. Can you have that in your corporate CSR or part of your initiatives?
I think it's a great idea. There's a number of pieces that will need to be put together. But, you know, the way this starts is big ideas, and then we kind of figure out how to, you know, implement them. Yeah.
Let's go to Singapore. A small island with big thinking. Small island. I cannot say that about our part of the world.
That's why we're we are trying to find out how, maybe because we understand the gestation period that this suit is undertaking. Although in 2023 or early this year, we were informed that there are a little over 1 million ongoing projects already. So if we're looking at 2 million target for 23 and 24, hopefully we are on track, and we are confident we'll be able to achieve the objectives. But earlier, during the start of the presentation of Slater, he was asked to model, like say, that project. Is it possible maybe for him also to model the 4PH? Probably we will have miracles.
Sige. Hanapan natin it. I'm very open to talking about it. I think there's a lot of opportunity there for a certain modularity from the construction side na pwede siyang going templated so that it's easier to replicate. But to be honest, I really don't know all the minutia of that part of the program kasi hindi talaga namin, that's not what I'm doing currently.
So that's a cue to the suit to reach out to Slater.
Very open.
Do we have questions from the